many of you have ever said, are you being a good listener? Are your listening ears on? Are you being a good listener? You're not listening. And the kids look at you with the most confused look in the world, like, I heard every word you just said. Your kids are always listening. Somehow this is another program that's been thrown into your mind. You're not listening. I heard those words. You're not being a good listener. I heard those words too. What are you talking about? Kids are always listening. They're just choosing not to follow your directions. Have you ever done this? David. What's the definition? What's the definition of doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result? How many of you have repeated a child's name at least 3 times? Why are you driving yourself insane? It's called practice. Is that what you said?
Yes.
You're practicing driving yourself insane. Yeah. And then you say they're not listening, but they're walking away from you. If you had one of those full-length mirrors, you would see every single time that you said their name. David. And in their mind, it's like, oh, on the 6th David, the vein starts going in the head. But let me guess. They should be a different way.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.